Imagine you're reading a story and the author says, "The room was messy." You get the point, but you don't feel it. Now, imagine they say, "Crushed drink cans and school worksheets carpeted the floor, and the smell of sour gym socks drifted from the corner." That is the power of showing, not telling. Welcome to the secret of great narrative writing. When we tell, we give the reader a flat fact. It's efficient, but it's boring. When we show, we use sensory details and actions to let the reader experience the story for themselves. The strategy: using your senses. To turn a tell into a show, you have to become a detective. Ask yourself, what would I see, hear, or smell in this moment? If you want to say someone is nervous, don't just use the word nervous. Show us their tapping foot. Show us the way they keep glancing at the clock or how their palms are leaving damp marks on their desk. By describing the physical symptoms of the emotion, you allow your reader to conclude that the character is anxious without you ever having to say it. The camera trick. Think of your writing like a movie camera. A tell is a wide shot from a mile away. A show is a close-up. Instead of, "The pizza was delicious," try, "The steam carried the scent of oregano and toasted garlic, and the first bite released a string of molten mozzarella." Why it matters. Showing creates an image in the reader's mind that they won't forget. It builds empathy and tension. Your job as a writer isn't to summarize a life, it's to recreate it on the page. So, take a look at your last draft. Find those flat adjectives like angry, beautiful, or scary. Challenge yourself to delete them and describe the scene so well that we don't need the label. Stop reporting, start painting. Let's get writing.